Alright, so I guess Joseph got a crazy tune on his car and I want to record it. Dude. Bro, that shit is crazy. It bobs like mine now. What's up, guys? Thank you for watching another video. As you can see, we're here at the homie Aventador. What's up, dude?
What's poppin'?
Sadly, he's not taking his car, like always. Why not?
Cause I'm not about to drive my fucking BMWs against the SV or whatever the fuck we're trying to. I like to drive slow.
We're gonna meet up with the homie Zane again that we met up with last video, and in his Aventador SV. So I'm pretty excited to see that thing again. We're about to hit this little car meetup in Long Beach. It's not too far from Hamza's house, so hopefully it's lit because I did drive quite a ways out here. And
you took a 20-minute L, bro, driving back home and then make it a U-turn.
I was gonna go home and just be lazy and just play some Fortnite or something. But Hamza convinced me to just come to this car meet. So we're going to a car meet, get some vlog footage, and cruise with the Lambo, which should be cool.
Oh, yeah.
Look who it is. Damn, bro. Alright guys, we just made it with the homie Zane. Now we're off to this car meet. This car meet is like a full JDM car meet. It's gonna be all JDM cars, so I'm bringing a BMW there and Zane's bringing a fucking Aventador SV, bro. Like what? I think people are gonna freak the heck out when they see his car because it's insane. It's like a freaking spaceship. I freaking love this car. Woo! Like everybody's looking at it. No matter where this car goes, it gets attention. Oh my god, it's so loud. Guys, people are gonna trip out right now when they see this car. I'm gonna try to go in the back so we can get everyone's reactions. No one's gonna look at my car, bro. Nobody. Oh my god, bro. Everybody's looking. Look at this. Damn, Zane must be nice. Alright, we made it. That one's sick. Look, bro, Zane, it's you. Damn, that's sick. That was my
first car, by the way.
Zane had that exact car. That one is sick, bro. Subi. Beamer.
Beamer boys.
Definitely a car that I would love to own one day. I think there's a new Supra too. A 2020's over there somewhere. Look who showed up, Isaac.
Hey, bro.
With the booty patrol.
Hey, look, one of them's high, the other one's happy, and the other one's fucking blind. And what's going on?
He's talking about the Miata eyes.
No,
there's a new Supra. I don't know why that music's so loud, but that thing's sick. Sick ass Isaac. Who has the police lights on? I like the red one. Damn, that one's hard. That color is sick. Woo. Guys, look at the dash.
Crazy, right?
Sickest dash ever.
I think I like the SVJ dash. Send it.
craziest revving ever. Alright guys, I think we're out. Everybody. Zane,
Get in your car,
Zane was revving it for a while. Another Supra. We just had to leave early because the security guard told us there was cops on the way, so without getting in trouble, oh my god. Thank you! I hear a badass turbo. Whoa, you lost to a 135? Well, that was random, and I don't know how the M4 couldn't keep up. Bro, I literally thought I was gonna get dusted by the M4. My M3 is actually beating it, which is so weird. Really sick M4 though, whoever that was. But now I'm on my way home. I think, this vlog is so random, I think I might go off-roading with some friends right now. They go off-roading in like their Polarises and Razors. Such a weird turn of events in this vlog. There's like a Aventadors and then now off-roading. It's gonna be a weird vlog, but hopefully you guys enjoy. Damn. Sick ass food.
Vámonos.
Oh my god, I'm scared. I'm scared, bro. Look at this thing, guys. The turbo. This thing actually has a turbo too. Polaris RZR. I think it's like the 1000. Is this the fastest one? One of the fastest
Yes,
ones?
it's the turbo.
This shit's fast, bro. You think it'll beat my car?
I think it will.
This shit is crazy. I haven't even seen the new wheels. Still got new wheels. It's wider now.
I'll race you to 80 because that's all it goes to.
You probably beat me, I swear. These things are so quick. The last time I drove it though, I popped the tire. Bro, I popped his tire. I was trying to do like a, I don't know what I was trying to do. But the tire came off of the wheel. It was so scary. I don't think it would happen with these now. You got B-locks. Alright, I don't think I'm gonna bring my camera because I'm not trying to get it messed up. So we'll vlog on the iPhone. Oh my god.
Oh, I got this.
Bro.
Ooh, I can't
This shit is crazy. It's so dark. Oh my. Bro. Oh. Damn. Holy shit, where are we, bro? Bro, these guys are gonna make me want to get one of these. These foods are crazy. Oh, that one's sick as fuck. Oh no, bro. Oh shit! Bro, you can legit drift this shit.
Damn, I don't want to drift this. I don't want to go.
Bro, these shits are crazy. They can literally go up. Bro, these shits go over anything. Damn, that's tight. We're literally doing donuts. Oh, shit. Bro. my turn to go. Here you go, Ray. Alright. No, you're gonna let water. No! Oh my god. Oh, this shit is crazy. Oh. You're gonna do that stabilizing thing, dog. I know. This shit is fucked up. Bro, look at this food, Ricardo. It's like burnt van, and he's on top of it. Dude. Look at this thing. I don't know what happened here, but this thing definitely got caught on fire. This shit was lit. Definitely something I want to buy in the future. I'm not gonna lie. I think it would be sick. Point of view footage too. Imagine some point of view footage driving this thing with the GoPro on my head. Bro, this vlog is all over the place. So random. From Aventadors to Beamers and now to off-roading. It was lit though.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit. Real shit, nigga.